is a quick guide on how to onboard DailyBot to Discord. We're just going to go into our server settings and we're going to click on app directory. Here we're going to look up DailyBot. Once we find DailyBot, we're going to click on it and we're going to click on add app. This is going to forward us to a different site. Now we will agree on permissions for DailyBot. We're going to select the server we want to add him to, and we're going to here give him the permissions that we want. We're going to authorize everything, and this then will take us to DailyBot's webpage where we're going to sign in. First, we're going to fill in some preliminary information where we found DailyBot, what our role inside the company is, and we're going to agree to the terms of use. Next up, we're going to invite the people we want to DailyBot into the check-in, and we can select a channel where we can share reports of the answers to the check-in. And now you are free to use DailyBot as you want it. We have some quick steps in the bottom to give kudos, to invite the rest of your team, to go to the DailyBot Academy to know a bit more about DailyBot, and you are free to explore DailyBot as you want.